straight to the classic old school technique where I'm going to select both of these shapes, right click group, and I'm going to go to the 3D materials, activate the inflate, I'm going to decrease the depth, and I'm going to check inflate both sides. Now originally this also can melt together. For example, I'm going to double click on the circle, select it, and I'm going to bring it close to the big circle, and as you can see it's going to create this melt effect. Now this is not that bad, it kind of does the job, but there's another way to make it even more realistic looking. So for example, I'm going to name this as it is, and I'm going to make a new duplicate. And for this new trick, I'm going to go and right click on the shape, on group, and right click again, select down and I'm going to go to appearance, let's go to effects, add, and select offset add. I'm going to go with 15, I'm going to go to the join, select round, okay, and now let's go to the offset add and drag it to the plus duplicate, and I'm going to go to the bottom offset, and here we're going to type in minus 15, click OK. Now it's going to activate the inflate and repeat the same steps. So as you can see, we have the same circle in the same position while we're going to get the results. And of course the next thing I can do is double click on the circle, select it, and check this out. This one you can expand it even more and stretch it out all the way, which is pretty cool. And if you scale it up, it is going to make it thicker. And I'm going to press and hold Alt to drag it, make a new duplicate, I'm going to scale it down. So it is going to make this a really cool glue effect, which basically the other one cannot achieve. I'm going to double click here to release, and you also can add your map art. I'm going to select it, go to materials, and I'm going to select one of the shapes, and I'm just going to place it real quick. And check this out, if I click here and double click on the circle and select it, and like that. As I move the blob, you can see the 3D sticker is acting to glow when I'm moving it around. And if you bring it down too much, it is going to disappear. Now it's back again. I think this method has some really good potential in 3D, which basically is like on this cover. But yeah, pretty much mainly this is it. Feel free to experiment with it, and see you in the next one.